If you want to add music in Prezi and play it as continuous background audio throughout your presentation, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. I'll also point out an important limitation up front, because this feature is only available on a paid Prezi plan. So if you're using a free account, you may not see the audio option yet. If this tutorial helps, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, open your presentation canvas inside the Prezi Present editor. This is where you'll make all of your edits. Once your presentation is open, make sure you are on the main overview screen. You can do that by clicking the overview home icon in the left sidebar. This is important because the audio settings are accessed from the overview area, not from inside a zoomed in frame or a specific section of the presentation. Now look at the top toolbar panel and find the Media button. Click Media, and from the menu that appears, choose Audio. This will open the audio options inside Prezi. On the right-hand sidebar, you should now see a panel with audio settings. Look for the background audio section, because that is the setting used for continuous music that plays across the full presentation. Under background audio, click Upload. At this point, Prezi will let you choose the music file you want to use. You can upload an MP3 or M4A file from your local hard drive, or if your file is stored online, you can import it from cloud services like Google Drive or OneDrive. Select the file you want, then wait for it to upload into your presentation. Once the upload is complete, check that your audio is attached as background music. This type of audio is designed to play globally, which means it starts with your presentation and continues through your slides or sections without you needing to add it manually to each step. That makes it ideal for intro music, soft instrumental tracks, or any audio you want running in the background while you present. If you're using music in a presentation, always make sure you have the proper rights to use that track. It's a good idea to choose royalty-free music or audio that you're allowed to use for presentations, especially if you plan to share the Prezi publicly, send it to clients, or use it in a classroom or business setting. After uploading, take a moment to preview your presentation and listen carefully to the audio. Make sure the volume feels balanced and that the music supports your content instead of overpowering it. If needed, swap the file for a quieter track or a cleaner instrumental version. The goal is to make the presentation feel polished, not distracting. And that's it. You've now learned how to add music in Prezi using the background audio options. Again, just remember that this feature is available only on a paid plan, so if you don't see it, that's likely the reason. If this walkthrough helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple software tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.